Hello. Well, I'm flying the drone on a very overcast day, as you can see. I mean, the clouds are really thick. And we've got part of the gang out here. There's Louisa, that's her daughter Kaylee, and Matthew, and of course the baby Todd. And Charlie's over there for the far right, and Charles is on the far left. Now, Todd is on the roof somewhere. I guess we're going to see him in a little bit. I don't know if he's repairing some shingles that got blown off by high winds, or if he's putting in a lighting system to keep away the banditos. Yeah. So anyway, I'm getting a lot of warning. There's Todd up there. I'm getting a lot of warnings on my app because of the overcast, the transmission. Yeah, this is the transmission. No, it's bright red letters telling me not to go too far because there could be a failure in the GPS. Right now I'm running on 11 satellites, which is really good. I've been up to 13 of them, which is excellent. You get very good ground support. I think GPS stands for Ground Support System. Ground Positioning System. Okay, so anyway, just thought I'd do a little short review and mainly also practice. I'm not a very good pilot yet, but I'm working on it. And I even have a simulation now. I can even do what I'm doing right here in the computer room on a simulation program. So it's pretty cool to learn how to use the controls to get better at it, etc., 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 etc. Yeah, I see Todd's coming down off the roof now, and I see we're coming to the end of this little film of the drone. And the weather's been great here, though. Can't complain. Doesn't do any good anyway, does it? Yeah, the weather's good compared to the rest of the country, or most of the country. Yeah. But, yeah, it's 40 in the morning and 60s in the afternoon. Pretty cool. Pretty